Don't know which product goes in first and don't know when to apply sunscreen, before or after skincare or before or after makeup. With piles of skincare products, are you always getting confused what to apply first and end up your morning and night skincare routine? I have got you covered. No matter how many skincare products you have, with just one simple method, I'm going to help you understand what products to apply first, second, third, and so on. Are you ready to know that? Let's get into the video. And before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hello beauty, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashika and I'm all about skincare, hair care and passionate about addressing and resolving pigmentation, acne and even skin tone, hair fall, hair thinning and much more with properly formulated products. And this channel is all about letting you know what you actually needed for the glowing skin and healthy hair. So if you're madly into skincare and love exploring huge range of products, or you are just a beginner and don't know what is skincare, how to do or where to start, then consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon to not miss any of my informative videos. Also, if you like anyone in the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries or doubts, feel free to comment below. And if you're facing any pigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and wanna try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. When it comes to multiple skincare products, it becomes a bit tougher to find which product to put in first. But with this simple method, you will be able to find the skincare order. So what's that method? It's so simple. It's a consistency checking of your skincare product. That means you need to check their consistency and order them according to their thinnest consistency to thickest consistency. And want to know how to do that consistency test? Just use your hands or take any plate. Now put a drop of your skincare product and keep it in a slanting position. Now watch which runs in first, second, third and so on. And voila, this is your skincare ordering. If you're still confused, you can simply touch and feel and order it from thinnest to their thickest. For example, toner is watery and comes before serum, which is slightly runny, then moisturizer. But sometimes this will not work on cleansing product, treatment product or sunscreen. Also make sure to start with a cleansed face, and cleanser or face wash always comes in first no matter what. Still getting confused? Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to share with you sample skincare order and let you know what comes in first. First comes in cleanser. If you use double cleansing, use oil cleanser first and then normal cleanser. Second comes in toner or essence. Third comes in serum. Fourth comes in spot treatment, only if it's thicker than serum. If it's lighter than serum, you can use it before serum, but it's not that complicated. Fifth comes in eye cream. Sixth comes in moisturizer. Seventh comes in facial oil if you're using in your routine, but I usually recommend avoiding at AM. Eighth comes in sunscreen, and it's only for morning skincare routine. Also make sure to apply sunscreen after skincare and 20 to 30 minutes before makeup. Voila, that's your skincare order. It's that simple, right? If you aren't still clear about ordering your skincare product, then it's time to seek professional help. And SkinOreal is there to help you order your skincare product, and not only that, they will also help you diagnose your skin concerns and design a personalized and effective skincare routine according to your skin type. And personally, I have a very good experience with SkinOreal. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you find this video helpful and got some value out of it. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. Also, if you want more like this video, click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified each time when I upload a video. Like I said before, if you have any hyperpigmentation or dark spot issues on your face and want to try some luxurious skincare brand, then check out the first link in the description box below. And thanks for patiently watching my video. I will see you soon with another interesting and informative video on skincare. Until then, bye from Ashika.